Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you something very strange with the Angular front end in .NET. If you use Angular in .NET ASP.NET application, so here you see some files with very strange names and very large sizes. I'm going to zoom it so that you see them. These are the files, and this is in this path. I also show you uh, the path, so I go back here. So I wanted to move this application to another computer, but I want to in the client app, I don't want to also move the node modules because it is a lot of dependencies and it takes a very long time to move or to copy. So I wanted to delete this or uninstall the dependencies, but I could not. So I tried many ways, tried to use Node.js, npm and command line, but I could not. So I came and manually deleted many dependencies. But inside of Angular dev-kit, there is also build Angular, and then there is also node modules, RxJS, internal operators, and inside of operators there are also many other files. I could delete them except these files. This is very strange. Then I cannot rename them and I cannot also delete them. So if I want to delete one of them, it is going to say this: the file name you have specified is either invalid or too long. Specify a different file name, and then try again. Is the same, and escape. Just going to escape. And my antivirus also does not work here. These are also very large files and folders, and you cannot also open these folders or directories. The center is incorrect or something like that. So if you have Angular with .NET, I appreciate if you share your opinion and tell me what these files and these directories are. I am new in .NET with Angular. I use Angular with as modern front-end library completely separate, not with .NET or separate JavaScript front-end library or framework, and not with .NET. So this is first time I see this thing, and it's very strange. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your opinion, your thoughts, and your comment, your guide. Have a great day.